This is a video to give you some tips on how to make the most of the discussion forum within the eGrad School modules. The reason we include discussion forums is twofold. The first is to allow you to learn through doing. So we encourage you to investigate something, to think about something, to look at something in a different way perhaps, and then come back and share that information with everyone. So you get the benefit not only of considering it yourself, but then writing it down and of reading everyone else's posts on it. And that leads me to the second point of why we do it, is so that you can interact with other people. You can chat with them. It's, I guess, a social aspect to the online space. So I encourage you to take advantage of the networking opportunities as well, because the people that are in this module are probably in a very similar situation to you.